Yo guys, niyathanda ukulokhu nizenza ngathi ni confused indaba ive icacile. Indaba icacile nje ba ukuthi iphara Nkosi yami belihambela nomngane walebusuku beyokwenza umsebenzi wabo wasebusuku bayotshontsha ngiyacabanga ngoba kushiwo kanjalo allegedly ne yeah baba nebhadike kwaba ukuthi umnikazi womkhukhu ubathola phakathi. Ngokuza kwethu-ke noma indaba zithi noma amaphoyisa athi iphara lelazama-ke Nkosi yami bakithi ukubaleka umngane wacasha ngaphansi kombhede. Kusho ukuthi umnikazi womkhukhu kwaba nguye ophumayo ogijimisa iphara wafike walithola-ke awu kwenzakala umshophile Nkosi yami kusho ukuthi lase lagwazeka. Lashona kanjalo-ke bakithi. Ikuphi ko-confusayo abantu babhizi bathi this story is not make sure hey on the streets hey iphara nje belingekho estradini beliphakathi komkhukhu abantu nomngane walo beyoganga babanjwa yilokho ke nje ekumele nikwazi ayikho nje into edidayo la aseke niphara bakithi lale ngokuthula liphumule Nkosi yami asiliyekeni.
Also, to everyone backing Umagat Tlamulo, I'm questioning your guys' parenting skills. You are going to tell me that you are backing a parent that is making a video with her chest saying Uguti Nganyake was mistaken for a foreigner and killed because they were mistaken as a foreign national at 3 a.m. As a mother, ulala njani endlini mntana akho na 15 years engekho mesuzuthi uzwe kuthiwa you coming here with alleged stories of a 15-year-old being killed and mistaken for a foreign national at 3 a.m. If he was mistaken for a foreign national at 4 p.m., at 2 p.m., mhlampe the story would have been of substance. But 3 a.m. as a parent, you saying you uzwa ngenzwa bathi ukuthi ingane yakho bayoshaya uthi izayi njengomzali hayibo bakuthi hey ngikuzwa konke lo match wara yindaba ingane yakhe ingekho endlini ngo3 intatha. That alone is a red flag.
Guys, after listening to this story Santlamolo, guys, it's very sad or some family they can lie in order to get money. And you know why South Africa will never be good, guys? Why South Africa will always be a miserable country is because of majority of you South Africans, you let emotions take over. Majority of you were busy judging, now busy blaming Zulu people or they are tribalist. Hey, this match and match. Hey, Malema was right. Malema saw it coming. Hey, Malema, this and that was right. So now, the police have made an official statement or no, but it wasn't Tlamulo, Nelly Tsotsi. Never ilutswa. So now the question remains, why did the mother, I guess it's the mother or it's the sister, why did she lie? Who paid her to come and lie more social media or in the media? Because of she came to social media or Kiko TV and lied or they killed her son because of he was speaking Tsonga. Guys, are you aware of these people they are trying by all means or bare separate? They want us to fight. They want Pedi people, Tsonga people, but suppose they want Limpopo to fight with Zulu. And this thing usually about Chari, get the politician more way. Guys, the politicians did relation. This thing Nagana Mutorni and Tomili Apatel, I think is the best if they can go and arrest that woman for lying to us or no. Wanula Malaili because of na Abulela Sutong. March and Machika 2 a.m. Kufanu. Because every time when we see people are marching, when people are striking, we always see videos. Yeah, now we kumanika that prove yagore is because of so language ya because of now the police have investigated, they made it clear or no, they were stealing and the Bonabanali witness. Guys, let's stop this, guys. And it's funny because of lena batho ba rona, you are against match and match. You are busy attacking everyone, or yeah, this and match ke a batho ba o se rutere, ke a batho ba o dira this and now le fetogile ditlela. And it's very funny because of bontši bja lena, you were busy making videos, busy saying justice for Ntlamolo. Ntlamolo wa lena ke tsotsi, na ile utswa ko metseng ya batho ko mokhukhu. So le reng no, because of now nnete e tswile gore ke tsotsi Ntlamolo le thoma gore where is the evidence. Lena evidence ya gore Ntlamolo ba mmolaile because of o bolela Setsonga kefe. Guys, Zulu people, they are not tribalists when it comes to this match and match. And I don't understand, or if people come to you and say, please prove it to us, or you are South African, why is it difficult for you to prove it? Because the moment when I try to prove a point or they will kill you. Most South Africa were busy fighting a serious issue. Yeah, illegal foreigners. Yes, if you no musu, then ba o naganela or foreigner, just take out the ID over one chat, then bacho mo wena. But we're not going to try because of the reason why Zulu people, the moment we talk about la ko bolela si Zulu banana or foreigner, is because of most of foreigners, the first language they try to speak is Zulu, and you know those illegal foreigners when they speak Zulu is not fluent. So that's why Lerna is a spady person. Yes, I might sound like I'm a foreigner. Then I will have to prove it by showing them ID or no, I'm not a foreigner. So when if you are not a foreigner, then why was I guys, let's stop this. And the agenda here is pushing my EFF. EFF people, they wish to see what this thing here, the match and matches guy feel. They are trying by all means. And we are glad
so as it seems, Wakanda Forever Pan-Africanists, because let death is not even related to any anti-illegal immigration march. It was in fact a day after the march. Ayonando, that is so dangerous. La mama na la sister actually came and lied to the whole country. Instead of umntu makavume i-failure zakhe zokuba ukhulise iphara elifele emanyaleni because li-entitled kwiinto zabantu, uqonde uzosorezenza i-victim athi yena umntanakhe ubulaliswe much and much. Cwaka ke ngoku, I waited the whole day because I'm actually waiting for abantu mabakhe bacela uxolo, abantu mabakhe ba-retract these statements zabo. Even the publications that were actually really publicizing these things, very few actually retracted their statements. It's actually not even related to any march on march or any anti-illegal immigration marches. Cwaka. Wonke umntu cwaka. So that his opinion highlighted, and you don't think that is weird? You don't think that's weird? You don't think that it's weird that natives are being painted out as lemiratu yemidlwembe? You don't think that's weird? And let's speak up of the death thing. Let's speak up of the it's very interesting to me because these are the same people that are very quiet where we lost 12 kids in 1 month. From iznexes amaSomalia 12. Abantu besiza apha ne-resolutions ezingenzi sense zokuba yekani uthenge amaSomaliyeni. Well, not everyone actually has money to actually go to town every time they need something. So that was ridiculous. Khange ndinive nihloko mohlobo. Bantwana bayi-12 that we lost. And none of that is actually going to be looked at as, no, actually, these people hate natives. None of that is going to be looked at. Bekukho amaSomalia apha bethengisa ivosh yenyama yenja. So amaSomalia asuke eMogadishu, where they literally faced the most insane amount of diseases, ikwashiyoko, ifamine, zonke zange batyazi nje kodwa bakwazi ukuba mabafika apha batyisa natives ezinje. Cwaka. None of you are going to look at that niti. Actually, these people do not like the natives. Because ungenza loo nto leyo xa bekutheni. Amanzi ebewathengisa still water besuka etopini. None of you had anything to say. But now you were very quick to act on lena kaNhlamulo, or to find out it's a lie. Nithini ngoku? Nithini ngoku? Senide nakhupha nakhiqiza amagwebu, nithini ngoku? You don't find that weird? This week ndibuyela ku YouTube. I need longer videos. Like yabana le into I need ndibuyela ku YouTube. You kujala bendibuza uba ndibuyela nini ku YouTube. You won. You won. Like, look at this. You won. Ndibuyela ku YouTube this week.
Yeyi bafethu nike niyivela ntetha ethi ukumoshakala kwenye kukulunga kwenye. Niva besuthu besithi ka uhlokofala khamangmankane kamubona murena Jesu. Bafethu namhlanje nobeke ngamazi uProvincial Commissioner wase Western Cape uyamazi. Ngulo oye wabuya ezosipha ingcazelo yoba enhleki kuthiwa kwenzekeni ngokutshona kukwaNhlamulo Sambo. Ndizayifaka ke ivideo yakhe apho ethetha khona. So kunento abantu abaninzi abafuna ukubambelela kuyo again ngoba bapheli mandla into yoba hayi kodwa mosikuthiwa boku-empty bebeyoqhekeza befunani endlini e-empty. Bafethu ubu-empty akathetha ngaye utata upolisa, uthetha ngento yoba bokungenabantu. Akathi the house, it was house to let, there was nothing. Uzama nje ukuthi bokungenamntu because naku kuthiwa bebetshone phansi kwebhedi abanye. It means zikhona izinto bezikhona. Ndingekho kuyo yonke lonto leyo. Bafethu ndithi qi ngoku into nenza ndizibhaqe ngoku ngami ndizozibhaqa nje ndincuma. Ndithi qi nevideo apho umama kaNhlamulo ethetha khona. Kuyabonakala ngendlela akathetha ngayo, uthetha nama comrades because nje kukhona nje isicomrade la language yabo ikhona apha. Ayibona into endiye ndayipick up mna apha andibeva ke ncam into babathini ne. Ndiyahalela futhi kwi comment section kube khona umuntu ozanixela into babebesithini. Ndiyasifunda ke Phofu Isitsonga. Apha eSouth Africa njoba sinama official languages i11 masithi AS12 ke yi sign language. Kula i11 athethekayo ama languages lana. Bafethu i2 endingawazi. The rest ayangeke unihlebe ncam ngawo. So even isitsonga esi ndihamba kube khona lapho ndisiva khona, ndihambe kube khona lapho ndingasiva khona. Intetha le yabo yona inokwenza nalanto yase Mossel Bay, but into endenda ipick up nje yindlela umama kaNhlamulo akancime ngayo kule video. Okay. Bafethu ndithanda into yoba njoba yonke lento isenzeka nje khona okungquzulwana okusoloko kukhona, ndithanda indlela amaXhosa namaZulu avele abumbana ngakhona. Bafethu ngoba kwawona ayathanda ukugravulana and njoba sewebambene sokungathi angasayiyeki lonto leyo. Bafethu ndizonifakela enye ivideo apha. Ndiyayithanda ke phofu into yoba bakhona abantu baseLimpopo abathi through it all we stand with South Africans. Ndithetha even mna abatsonga bakhona abatshoyo abathi hayi thina siyibone kwaseqaleni into yoba lento inenyawo lemfene. Ndizonifakela ivideo apha eka Julius Malema apho uJulius Malema eke wathi khona eMesidlangalaleni wathi yena akanandaba neLimpopo, akayikhathalelanga iLimpopo. Into akanandaba neGauteng yena ukubone into akanandaba nayo nje yiSouth Africa okanye yena wathi nje into akajongekho amehlo akaphe khona international. So akanandaba nje nayo yonke le inye into apha ezibona khona enindlela uthi xa kethetha ndamva ngongathi ngumuntu lo opower hungry. Ukuthi ndike ndadibana nenye ivideo yakho Julius Malema apho wathi khona iEFF is the only political party ekhona even outside the borders of South Africa. Ndanombuzo endizibuza kwenye into yoba ikhona ngaphandle masithi kwalamanye okanye koSADC okanye PPP nje kulamazwe our neighboring countries ifunani yenzani khona umsebenzi wayo yini. Bafethu iEFF lena bafethu yazi kunombuzo obuzwe eParliament recently. Ubuzwa ngibani? Zezinye izinto kumele sike sihlale simane sichola apha nalapha. Uvuyo ubuza into yoba we-members zaseParliament including kuma NEC lana ne committees bayingaphi abantu abane-dual citizen? Yintoni i-dual citizen? I-dual citizen ngumuntu oba ngum-South African ngapha one hand, ngapha abe eyenye kubona abe ngumZimbabwean, ngum-South African ngapha eyi-Mozambiquean, ngum-South African ngapha ephethe kubone, so ungumntana wangapha nangapha. That is what i-dual citizen is. Ningalibalanga i-dual citizen ike yavela kwi-evidence ka-General Dumisani Khumalo apho watsho khona wathi ifana nemigila mkhuba bayathanda into yoba mababe ne-dual citizen. Ningayilibali, but andikho apha, apho ndikhona ndilapha. So iba ngabantwana abangapha nangapha. Guys, niyayazi iHome Affairs itheni xa iphendula? Ithe ayinayo i-record, ayigcini, ayinayo lo information into yoba ngobani abane-passport into beza ngapha nangapha okanye abantwana abangama-South Africans nabangaphandle. Ikhona into engathi njalo. So sizahlale sizibuze into yoba bafethu, njoba sinegunya, njoba sisilwa sifuna ukuzingomba isifuba nje ngoba South Africa bethu, ingabe sonke singama-South African? Nize nilumkele bona abantu aba abasafuna ukufollowana nabantu abathethe language different nama-South African, nibalandele nihoqozele emva kwabo only to find out into yoba kwabona they are not South African. Ningalibalanga bafethu, even uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa uqobo kuke kwavela into yapha into yoba unama-IDs awu-3 ivela koMadlanga Commission. Ndiyayibona nje into yakhona ihlahlale nje kuthuleke ukuthi ingcwe ngayo, ayonto kumele niyiyekele leyana. Kwavela into yoba unama-IDs awu-3 President Cyril Ramaphosa. Ndike ndadibana nanomnye umuntu oke wandibalisela into yoba ingathi uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wake waba ngumntana wakwelinye ilizwe. Ikhona into engathi njalo. Ndadibana nenye into umuntu endibuza into yoba ibe uPaul Mashatile yena ngowaphi, ngowalapha na? Babuze ke abanye into yoba ibe yena uJulius Malema ngowalapha na? Singalibalanga, it was not a secret phofu into yoba uJulius Malema atsho athi yena akanabudlelwane ncam, akamazi ncam utatakhe. So zininzi nje izinto okumele ba South Africans xa nisilwa xa nisilwa ngithetha ngama-South Africans ngula sithi ne, xa nisilwa nama-foreign nationals silumkele into yoba sithi silwa nama-foreign nationals kanti sizibhaqa ngosesisilwa naba asicile into yoba ngodadewethu balapha eSouth Africa, kanti no, ba-protector ama-illegal foreigners because nabo banalo igazi lobu-foreign national. Ndizayifaka ivideo kaJulius Malema apho watsho khona wathi yena kanandaba nifuna ukumbuza ngamavoti waseLimpopo, akanaxesha leLimpopo yena. Ijiki Limpopo sive kuthiwa nini xa kuthiwa kuzamatshwa sive abanye besithi hayi andithethi ngabo bonke nebakhona endibaziyo vele ngendibeve apha abathi sime nama-South Africans, singama-South Africans thina, abathi bona abafuni izimatsho kwela cala ngongathi bona they are not negatively impacted by yonke lento lena. Bafethu, yazi kunamagama ake athethwa nguPhakela uMthakathi. Wathi uPhakela uMthakathi bokuyabalula into yoba aba bantu ibe bebezawuhamba bayohlala bayobazini ibhasi zaba bantu abathi mabahlala eSouth Africa, because ingxaki esijongene nayo into yoba bakude bona, bakwindawo ezinamabonda made, abona abantu aba-impacted kuyo yonke lento sithi ngoba aba bantu bahlala nathi. Sekungathi singavuka emaqandeni nyani enesivuke sonke. It is each and everyone's a duty into yoba umngani wakho lophila naye khakube nencoko naye, noma uyeke uthetha la language yaba yana kanti ke uzame nje ukurizina naye. Bafethu, inkulu into eprotectwayo xa kuthethwa ngomcimbi okwenza nabantu bokufika.
They were found in a shack, that empty shack that the owner wasn't there, and the owner of the shack accosted them inside the shack, and then the deceased ran away. They were there to take some goods for themselves, and then there this 15-year-old then hid himself under the bed in the shack, and whilst the owner was chasing this one, and then which apparently accosted him and was dead. Which we were looking for him was murder. That's murder. Yes. To the murder of the 18-year-old that took place on Sunday morning, but it is not related to the incidents of Friday that has anti-foreign sentiments. what we have, and now with what we followed up, the deceased, the 18-year-old, was with another 15-year-old. They were in a shack. They were found in a shack allegedly by the person who's in charge of the shack or owner of the shack at about 3 o'clock in the morning. And then the suspect that has not been arrested now pursued the deceased, and which apparently then was stabbed, and the 15-year-old hid himself under the bed. That's where we got the information that they were there and allegedly breaking into or taking some stuff that were not theirs in the house. So that is where we are with that investigation. But now that we arrested the suspect, we will go further interrogation of the suspect so that to get more facts on that. Hopefully we'll get to the bottom of it.
And really, I can't be asked about Limpopo. I don't care about Limpopo. I don't care about Gauteng. I care about South Africa and the continent. Whether EFF is voted for in Limpopo, so what? What must I do? What does that have to do with me? I'm not a regional leader. I'm international. I can walk into any country. You'll think Michael Jackson, the showstopper, has arrived. In the whole continent. So you're telling me about Limpopo, what? What's that? You want to reduce me into Ramudige? Ramudige, Mpepu, Ntangwisi.
Comrades, viva! Viva! Ni kwala nte khomeni ka rin'wana era makhomreti ya mina ya xisati xikatla hi mhaka leyi nga humelela ni na mana nhlamulo kwala ha mbona n'we ma ku tsalatsala eka thaka kwala ka ti-socials hi ku mi le kule na swona na ku hi ku a swi se mi fikela loko se swi ta mi fikela mi ta swi twisisa leswi hi nga ku hlanganeni na swona hale Mossel Bay.
Sanibonani, angeke ngize ngigamanxe kakhulu ngoba ngiyazi truth ukuthi thini ngalolu daba. Kodwa bomama eniyeke ingane zene emakhaya ziba amabhokolo, zicabanga ukuthi ziyophuma estradini ziba amabhokolo. Hey futhi thina ke esingazele singena ingane nje singenamhelo. Ingane uyibona thina kula koma 20s kuyabhonga kujwayele ukudelela kubo, kujwayele ukudelela unina umtshele nje umathanda. Nizawungcwaba. Yezwa bomama, nizawungcwaba. Ingane nje ayiyazi nje ukuthi umama unomthetho. Ithi noma idlubulundela nathi sadlubulundela empilweni. Abazali benomthetho beshaya. Kodwa kubuye kuvuke lokuthi ubaba ume ngazi ngalendaba ngeke awuthi ngiyawuthi into ucobelela. Usalisuyeka nje. Usalisuyeka. Ngana 19 years. Ayikhe kwenzakalani? Biyokwenzani lapha? Beyisebenza beyenzani ngane lapha kuthi? Kodwa ke ngithe ngigamanxa ngoba angiyazi truth yale story. Kodwa usevelile umakhelwane washo ukuthi lengane biyiphethe. Injani. Anginendaba ke naleso story angigxilile kuso. Kodwa ngisekutheni segol lapha. Kungaphandle lapha uzofa. Akusikeka konyoko la. Jwayele ukugolozela unyoko. Uzofa. Kusani irathane zini. Abantu abananhliziyo manje. Abantu zizofa. Zizofa ngani zakwethu. Zizofa. Khuzana amabhokolo enu. Yaviwa la. Abantu abanalanga lonke. Inhle inhlonipho. Niyeke namanga. Yamanga nobuqila liqeda ilizwe. Niyeke namanga. Siyazi unyoko wakukhulisa ngamanga. ngane kaNondindo noyeke manga abahlangana neqiniso sofa thanda nezwa ebhayi.
I have seen the latest development in Nhlamulo's case. I have watched the video where the police officers were explaining the situation, and also I've been watching videos of mom explaining the situation, and all I can say is that this story itself has a lot of contradictions and a lot of loopholes because everyone is talking about what they heard. But one thing that was a total wrap up for me was when I heard that this happened in the AMs and it didn't happen at home. So for me, that was like, okay, why was a teenager not at home during the AMs? So clearly, I've been part of the people that have been probably maybe spreading misinformation. And that is simply because, guys, I am Tsonga. I do know sometimes how it feels like to be Tsonga amongst, other people. Sometimes you tell people that you're Tsonga and people will be like, Tandeka, Tsonga, how? Those kind of things happen. But I really do apologize for spreading misinformation regarding this case because clearly I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. So I do apologize for that. I'm not gonna apologize too much though, because if there is one person that has been supporting the movement from the beginning, it is definitely me. If illegal immigration has affected you directly, or someone that has been affected by illegal immigration, then you would definitely know, how it feels like to have illegal immigrants around. So I was only disappointed that, okay, I thought this is a peaceful protest and a peaceful march and we're just gonna be doing everything peacefully. So when I heard that something like that had happened, I was just simply disappointed, and I apologize to the people that were offended by the things that I have said. But yeah, from now on, let's just try to do better, because we can also not shy away from the fact that Tsonga people and Venda people do sometimes, get treated some type of way because they are Tsonga and Venda. And the crazy thing about it is the fact that even within the Tsonga tribe, it does happen, because we do have Tsonga people from Limpopo that think that the Tsonga people in Mpumalanga are not Tsonga enough. But that's another topic for another day. For now, I just wanted to send my apology to you, my people, and everyone that was offended by me misinforming people and sharing news that were not 100% verified.
Greetings, Chomi. First of all, we want to apologize for Lukwatisa. Pero Lukwatisa, it's manaba. Labala rohala mazulu. Chomi baruhile. We apologize. I agree we're using the information we got and also from the mother. So very frustrated. I'm apologizing for myself and other people who made videos, because there are a lot and you're influential people. Even though they won't do that, but guys, we owe you guys an apology. On the internet, when we make these videos, we know you guys like our content. You listen to what we say, then you come and engage. So I saw on that video, I think I had like 600 comments, and then they were like, yeah. And then they were, yeah. To my Zulu people, Lena kilemogile, Nala Mazulu Rakwana, Nakilemogile, Nala Mazulu Rakwana, we are quaning, Rakwana, Rakana, okay? Us and Matsulu Rakwana, we are one. My next boyfriend's gonna be Zulu, I promise. So that I can apologize for everybody. But yeah, I apologize for everybody and for myself. Like, we apologize. We love you guys. Remember, the other video I made, I was like, this is not about fighting amongst ourselves. We don't want tribalism and stuff, yeah. But obviously, people got angry in the comment section because of what we were seeing on the videos about what the mother said. But we apologize. You guys, you're amazing. We are one. We are South Africans, okay? We cannot be fighting amongst ourselves. No way. No tanda kakulu. And then, yeah, Chomi. But sorry and stuff. Sorry, Chomi. And other people not apologize, saying, okay, make those videos and apologize the way you guys were making noise. Apologize to Mazulu. Especially if you mention them on your videos, because some of you did. Like so when I mentioned. Not I mentioned a moto. Mara, my videos made people to mention them on the comment section. So yeah, I got a pila, I got a pila. I got the who's not peace, chomi, give me to a piece, man, give me to a my wapasiga, give me to a what about them gym, one child, I got it in dwa. But Galerata, guys, Galerata, Tonga people. Yeah, my thought again, handsome is gonna be Tonga, obviously. That one we know, and you know yourself. You're always in the comment section. You're taught again handsome. Next, catch one DM. Anyway, I love you guys. Enjoy your day. I didn't skolong. Manati chomi. If naga funding, I didn't skolong. You paid 24 months. The rates are low. You can attend any private college or any other college. You just check on their website. You go to my bio. You go to the link. I didn't skolong. Hanal baka los yes skolong. I didn't skolong. Yan skolong chomi. La lapis yan skolong.
Hello, Mzansi. Welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. People are still reacting to stories Sanhlamulo Sambo. Lobambola lengemva kokuthi bamthole emkhukhwini umuntu athi uyotshontsha. Yaduma indzaba ke nema-members e-EFF adumisa nematsonga ukuthi bambulele because his Tsonga they mistaken him for being a foreigner. Utibuda ukuthi ngidebele foreigner labalibulele sukela lamamasha aqalile. So people were pushing a narrative wrong, and people are calling her out. Magwa Nhlamulo nema-members e-EFA, people are calling out bantu was saying ukuthi Zulus are tribalist. Bantu bayasho nje ukuthi lona liphara nje beliya kuntshontsha labanjwa lagwazwa labulawa. Asikeleni ukuthi libolewe bantu bemashini masha libolewe uMaZulu. Ayikho yonke lento leyo. Imasha yani ngo-3 ekuseni. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.